Welcome back to your CompTIA IT Fundamentals training course. In this lesson, we will complete Domain 2.1 with peripherals and graphic device interfaces. For peripherals, we will discuss USB, Firewire, Thunderbolt, and RF. USB, or Universal Serial Bus, is both versatile and popular. USB ports can be used for input devices, storage devices, and output devices. A single USB port can also be used to connect a USB hub, expanding the USB slot capability. As seen in our chart, USB comes in several versions. There are also several USB connector types, varying in form. In our graphic, you can see varying connectors and ports for USB. Firewire is used primarily for adding peripherals to a computer. It is often used for connecting external hard drives and digital camcorders. Firewire 400 runs at up to 400 megabytes per second, which was much faster than its counterpart, USB 1.1, at 12 megabytes per second. Firewire 800 runs at speeds of 800 megabytes per second. Due to cost, USB in large part became the preferred option to Firewire. Thunderbolt was then developed to replace Firewire. Thunderbolt originally was introduced by Apple. It is a high-speed peripheral connection standard. The Thunderbolt cable is completely reversible, as it uses the same connection on each end. Common uses for Thunderbolt are high-speed storage and high-resolution video. Unlike USB, Thunderbolt supports daisy chaining peripherals. Daisy chaining is connecting several devices together in a linear series. There are several versions of Thunderbolt, which you can see in our chart. RF, or radio frequency, is a generalization for wireless that does not fit under established standards. Some wireless mice and keyboards use RF to connect to a computer. Typically, a transceiver is plugged into a USB port, which communicates with the peripheral. To finish off this lesson, we will discuss graphic device ports. Graphic device ports connect the graphics processing unit, GPU, on a video card or processor, CPU, to displays. VGA, or Video Graphics Array, is an analog standard which is for the most part obsolete. As VGA is an analog standard, computers must convert digital video signal to analog before sending through a VGA port. The digital display must then convert the analog signal back to digital, making VGA very inefficient. DVI, or Digital Visual Interface, was designed to replace VGA while maintaining compatibility with VGA. DVI-D only sends digital signals, but DVI-I can also carry analog signals. DVI-A only carries analog signals. HDMI, or High Definition Multimedia Display, is much more common today as it carries audio signals as well as digital signals, unlike DVI and VGA. HDMI is available in various versions. Some older versions may not support 3D or high resolutions we see today. Displayport, like HDMI, can also carry audio signals. Displayport 1.2 and later support daisy chaining of displays, whereas HDMI does not. Mini DisplayPort is a smaller form factor of DisplayPort, but supports all the features of DisplayPort. Thunderbolt ports use the same connector as Mini DisplayPort. I would strongly recommend reviewing the different connection types and their characteristics as seen from the graphics included in this video. In our next lesson, we will dive into setting up and installing common peripheral devices. I look forward to seeing you there and would like to thank you for watching.
We are heroes too.